In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to custom Splitwise notification. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in your account, how to adjust your preferences, and how to make sure you only get the updates you actually care about. Let's start from the main Splitwise page in your browser. Look towards the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. It might be a small picture, your initials, or a generic avatar, depending on how your account is set up. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This is your gateway to all of your personal settings and account controls, and it's where you'll always go when you want to manage anything related to your profile. After you click the profile icon, a small drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose the option labeled Your Account. Click on Your Account to open your account settings page. This is where Splitwise stores all of your configuration options, such as personal information, password, and of course, notifications. Once you're on the account settings page, look for the section dedicated to notifications. Depending on your screen size, this may appear as a tab, a menu item on the side, or a section you can scroll to. Find the area that says Notifications and click on it to open your notification preferences. Here is where you can customize how Splitwise keeps in touch with you. Take a moment to review the different options that are available. You might see choices for emails, push notifications, or in-app alerts. Adjust these settings according to what works best for you. For example, you may want to receive notifications when someone adds an expense, when a balance is settled, or when you're reminded to pay a friend. On the other hand, you might want to turn off notifications that feel excessive or distracting. The key is to set it up so that you stay informed without feeling overwhelmed. After you've made all your changes, scroll down to the bottom of the notification section and find the Save button. This step is really important. Click on Save to apply and store your new preferences. If you don't save, any changes you made will be lost when you leave the page. And that's it. You've now customized your Splitwise notifications so they match your needs and your inbox stays under control.